Well, good morning. Here we are removing some mold and mildew and all sorts of yucky stuff off this awning valance. They replaced the top just a few days ago, and now we're cleaning the valance and just giving you a little walkthrough here on what it looks like. And hopefully in an hour or so we'll have this all cleaned up for them. That stuff is pretty yucky, especially along the edge there. It doesn't look so good, does it? Anyway, we hope to have this working here just very shortly. Getting cleaned up. Anyway, maybe we'll show you a video at the end of how it looks afterwards. But anyway, this is what it looks like right now, about a half hour into the process. We sprayed a special chemical cleaner that should get rid of most of that. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Alrighty, about an hour and a half has passed, and we're going to take a look at what we did to this awning. The valance came out real clean. I'd say we got 90% of the mold and mildew and yuck off there. As you can see, we were able to have some success with this awning. It's amazing what little awning cleaning can do. I'll zoom you in here a little closer. I can climb the ladder here. So anyway, we didn't make much of a mess. As you can see, we've got a little bit of water here on the sidewalk. We probably used about 40 gallons to do this job. We have a little runoff here, but not much. Toughest thing was just getting in position. Well, anyway, that's my report. Another awning cleaned here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Have a good day now.